So the dahlias are going to sleep. They've all been mulched up with some composted bark. Bring them back, and then in each of these I've pushed in a couple of big daffodil bulbs. So usually, like I said in the other videos, I'd have put all of these away in there over winter, but it gets really crowded and takes up a lot of space, and I want to clean out the greenhouse over winter and get it prepared for spring and planting up and seeds. So I'm going to try this time to keep them out here. I've got to put things over the top because, like many of us, we have local cats that come along and dig everywhere. So yep, that's them done with composted bark on top as the mulch, mainly because I want to feed the pots and I don't want to have to keep replacing all of the soil in the pots every year. Every 3 years might take them out and replenish some of the compost, but see how this goes. And then the other ones I've been doing is I've got some dinner plate dahlias. You can actually see these on. Using these containers that we recently found, so they're being recycled. Drilled some holes in the bottom, but so they've got two. It's like a large dahlia that I had. It's a really large yellow one, and I've split that into two, and I've made two of them. So that's gone into there, and I'm clearing out this space here, so I'll be able to stand them on the stones over winter here. But that's two of them, and I've got two left over here. And these two are going to be used for the dinner plate dahlias, which are currently in the greenhouse, and they originally were here. But what I was finding with the dinner plate dahlias was this is completely south facing, and it should get plenty of light, but they seem to come up a lot later than the other ones, and often by the time they come up and they did the thing, they get damaged by wind and snap off and everything else. It's kind of a bit of a waste, and what I want to do is clear that space out sooner rather than later, add to the flagstones there, and then repurpose that area so it's more neat and tidier, move the shelving, and on that wall there I want to put like a small tree that I can tie in. Might be one that I've already got, because I've got a plum tree that grows to about 5 foot, so I might tie that in, but that's what I want to use that space for. So the idea of taking the dinner plate dahlias out of there was to repurpose them for bulbs and smaller dahlias or whatever I want to put in there over a period of time, but I wanted to clear this space for now. So yeah, I've just been out this morning, purchased more compost, so I'm going to be able to crack on with these two today. That's that.